Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ganesh. In this video I will show you smartphone controlled floor cleaning machine. Then without wasting a much time, let's start the video. Let's see the construction. The robot mainly consists of 4 gear motors, 1 caster wheel, motor driver board and relay and submersible pump, microcontroller, and I already said that it is a smartphone controlled robot. Then obviously wireless communication is required. For that HSE05 Bluetooth model is used. As you can see in this video, I attached the brush in front of the robot. In the rear, mops is attached. Let's turn on the main switch. The app is already configured as per the code which is uploaded in the Arduino. Then connect the Bluetooth. Start operating. By using smartphone, we can control the robot movement, brush and mops, even water pump also. Actually, it is my paid work and I delivered this project to the client. For more information, DM me on Instagram. I will drop that link in the description box. Thanks for watching guys. Let's meet in the next video.